Hello, everybody. I just wanted to quickly show you how you can create a custom chatbot with memory and access to your internal tools using WorkflowDog and a custom GPT, or any custom chat builder that supports webhooks.
So here I just have a custom GPT that I made in ChatGPT, and it's just for just like a demo shoe retailer customer support bot thing. So I have a custom prompt in here that just says that it's that, and then I have this spreadsheet here with some orders in it, just some like sample orders. So I can start off by just saying like, hey, I need to make a return, and then it asks me to give me last name or order number so it can look it up. So I'll just say like, I'm Sarah Lee. And so then it goes ahead and looks it up using the last name Lee. And so then it found my order here, summer sandals, which lines up with this row. And so then I can say like, how much was my order for? Right, and it has that information that it pulled from the spreadsheet. And then I'm going to go ahead and say, and then you can see right there, it just saved a little memory. So we can go back and see what that is. It says customer Sarah Lee inquired about returning. And then I can go ahead and say like, I wasn't super happy with the fit, and so then it goes ahead and saves another memory there, and we can see that pop up in here. So we have two little notes in there that it saved about Sarah Lee's order. So then if I go to a new chat, this could be on like a completely different day or a new session or whatever, I can just say like, hi, I'm Sarah Lee. I am inquiring about a return. And so it goes ahead and looked us up again and found our order, and then said, could you please confirm if it's because the fit wasn't comfortable, which is in reference to our note that we just put in here about how we weren't happy with the fit. Yeah, so then for every new chat, we have that memory stored, what's going on, and those memories are tied to order numbers. So if another person comes in and inquires about their order, it has a different memory, which is pretty cool. So the way this works in the back end is with a couple different workflows set up in WorkflowDog. So this one is a webhook. So this URL is in the ChatGPT custom action. And so depending on whether it goes to lookup or memory, it calls two different sub workflows. So we have lookup here, which just looks it up by a certain field and a value. So that's in reference to this spreadsheet here. So if I look at one of those runs here, you can see it looked it up by last name Lee, and then found our order that way and gave it back to the agent. And then the store memory workflow works in a similar way. This is what it uses to store those notes. So it works in a similar way. The agent just submits the order number and the note that it wants to add, and we look up the row by the order number in the Google Sheet, and then pull the existing notes, and then just combine the old note with the new note and the current date and time. So that way we get like a little timestamp on the note there. And then just update the row with that note. So this is just like a super tiny system thrown together super quickly with ChatGPT, Google Sheets, and WorkflowDog. Really the back end, the Google Sheets and WorkflowDog, is compatible with any chat builder that you can hook up webhooks to. Let me know if there's any other use cases or functionalities that you'd like me to demo.